Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious mouth-watering beef rice pulao. It's so tasty the beef melts away in your mouth. And I'm going to show you today how to make beef rice pulao recipe. Without wasting time, let's start it with the ingredient. The ingredients I'm going to use: 2 pound beef, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, 1 large onion, olive oil for tadka, 3 cup water, 2 cup rice, this is a basmati rice, 1 cup tomato sauce, ginger, garlic, green chili, 1 tablespoon each, Kashmiri mirt 1 teaspoon and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, cumin 2 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoon, cumin powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon. And let's start making our delicious beef rice pulao. Start burner. I'm going to get a kadai. The first step will be we're going to cook the beef. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. First we're going to add beef. We're going to cook beef until it's nicely brown. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking for exactly 10 minutes. The meat is nicely brown. And I'm going to move this one to the back burner. And I'm going to get another pot. Prepare tadka. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, I'll add cumin. Cook like a 20-30 seconds. This is good. Now we're going to add ginger and garlic. Mix it well and cook them for 1 minute. Cooking for 1 minute, now we're going to add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes, now we're going to add green chili. Mix it well. Cook green chili along with tadka until the onions are nicely transparent. So we're going to cook additional 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Onions are nicely translucent. Now we're going to add spices. Salt, coriander powder. Keep mixing while you are adding the spices. Cumin powder and turmeric powder. Kashmiri mirt. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Another minute of cooking. Now we're going to add tomato sauce. So mix it well. After adding tomato sauce, we cook tadka for 1 more minute. Now I will add beef. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add potatoes and carrots. After adding potatoes and carrots, mix it well. Once the carrots and potatoes are nicely combined, now we're going to add 1 cup water. Mix it well. And we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, we're going to open it and we're going to stir it so that it won't get burned at bottom. Also, the beef will get tender. It's exactly 15 minutes. Mix it. And if we check the meat, the beef itself, if I try to cut it, it does cut through. If you notice that it's nicely cut through. But I want a little bit more tender. So I'm going to add half cup more water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid again, and this time we're going to cook for 10 minutes so that the meat gets really nice and tender. Cooking another 10 minutes. I'll open it, mix it. The beef is nicely cooked, so we can check the potatoes are nicely tender and the meat itself is nicely cut through. So it's fully cooked. Now we're going to add water, and that will be the 3 cup water. Mix it well. Cover with the lid, and we're going to bring the water to boil. I'm going to open it. As you see, the water started to boil. It took us only 1 more minute. Now we're going to add rice. What I done with the rice, I washed with the cold water, let it sit in the water for only 10 minutes. Now I drain the water. Once it's nicely combined, this is very important, on high flame. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to bring the gas on a simmer, then we're going to cook 10 more minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes on high flame. Now I'm going to bring the gas on a simmer, which is low, and we're going to keep it for 10 minutes. We're not going to open it, we're not going to do anything. It's exactly 10 more minutes on a simmer. I just wanted to show it to you. Our beef rice pilaf is all done. If we see, it's perfectly done. It's fully cooked. Now I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to cover with the lid again for 5 more minutes. For better results, leave it for 10 minutes, but I'm going to leave it only 5 minutes. After turning off the gas, as I mentioned that you can leave it for 10 minutes, but I'm going to open it after 5 minutes. This is a beautiful beef rice pilaf. I have my serving plate ready, and we're going to dish out. This is very tasty and very delicious beef rice pilaf recipe. Let me share with you. Beef pilaf recipe is all ready. Prior to serving, add some parsley flake, and that will be perfect. This is very delicious recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.